Have you got a wobbly toilet seat? If so, this is the solution. It's the Superfix Toilet Fixing Kit. And now I'm going to show you how to fit it. Step 1, we need to remove the wobbly toilet seat. It's not the toilet seat that's the problem, it's the fixings. So we then need to remove the old fixings and replace them with the Superfix kit. Step 2. As this is a top fix fixing, there is no need to get underneath the pan. It's very simple to screw from the top. We just need to make sure that the fitting is set up right. First of all, we need to take the Superfix fixing apart. So we remove the threaded bullet, we remove the rubber sleeve, and then we put the screw through the old hinge on the toilet seat. Once we've done that, we then replace the rubber sleeve onto the thread, and then we re-screw on the threaded bullet with the tapered edge facing upwards. Simply tighten this up the thread until you feel a very slight click between the rubber and the threaded bullet. Step 3, we now push the seat back onto the pan, the rubber sleeves through the holes in the pan. Once that's done, we're ready to tighten up the seat into position. Step 4, we simply take a screwdriver and we tighten up the Superfix fixings until the seat is secure and in position. The Superfix is a universal product and it fits any toilet seat. It fixes the seat to the pan better than any fixing on the market. If you want to find your local stockist, just click on the link below. Thanks for watching.